Kuo, iPhone 12 models will not include ear pods or a power adapter in the box, analyst Ming-Kai Kuo said today in a research note obtained by MacRumors. This lines up with a prediction shared by analysts at Barclays earlier this week. Kuo said that Apple will instead release a new 20-watt power adapter as an optional accessory for iPhones and end production of its existing 5-watt and 18-watt power adapters later this year. The form factor of the new 20-watt power adapter is said to be similar to the 18-watt version, with USB-C power delivery for fast charging, as seen in this leaked photo. Kuo believes that iPhone 12 production costs will significantly increase due to 5G support, but he expects Apple to sell the new models at a comparable price to its iPhone 11 lineup, and removing the ear pods and power adapter from the box is one way to reduce costs. Apple would likely also tout the environmental benefits of such a move. Barclays still expects Apple to include a Lightning to USB-C cable in the box as the only accessory included with iPhone 12 models. Kuo also expects that Apple will stop including a 5-watt power adapter with the second-generation iPhone SE later this year, but he said that a 12-watt power adapter will continue to be included with current generations of the 10.2-inch iPad, iPad Air, and iPad mini. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.